I'm Director of Culinary Innovation, Chef Greg Muller. I'm a World Chef certified master chef with over 18 years experience. If you name it, I can cook it. So let's get cooking.
Hey there, RT-G450 family, Chef Go with you. We have an awesome recipe for the Matador. We're doing a roasted butternut squash and apple bisque on the Matador. You heard me right. To get started, we've got it over a medium-low heat. We're gonna add in a little bit of olive oil. And the cheat we did is we bought our butternut squash already pre-cut. Yeah, you can buy them, they're pretty hard to cut, so I would recommend taking the cheat. It's gonna be about 4 pounds of butternut squash. We're going to cook that for about 5 to 6 minutes until it starts to soften up. And we're going to add in a stick of butter as well. And to start building some really good flavor, we're going to be using Garam Marsala. It's a type of curry. It's not a spicy curry, but it's got a lot of nutmeg, allspice, cumin. It's absolutely fantastic, and it's going to bring out a lot of that earthy, rich fall flavor that's in the butternut squash. We're also going to add some cinnamon. Again, it's going to really bring out some really good fall, cold weather flavor. Now to really bring some sweet tart acidity, we're going to use some Granny Smith apples. So I'm going to go ahead and cut up about 4 apples, about the same size as the butternut squash, and we'll get that cooking together. All right, so our squash and apples have had about 10-15 minutes to cook. They're starting to soft and get nice and caramelized. So again, we've got this on low heat. We're gonna add 2 quarts of heavy cream and some apple cider. Now make sure you buy the good stuff. About a half a gallon. We're gonna let this simmer over low heat for about 30 minutes or so. We'll stir every now and then. It'll get good and thick. And then what we'll do is we'll use a immersion blender, and then we'll puree it all, and it'll be velvety smooth and absolutely fantastic. All right, so we've had our soup simmering for about 30 minutes. It smells fantastic, and we like to go big at RT-G450, so we have a big immersion blender. We're gonna go ahead and puree this up good and smooth. If you don't have a big boat motor like we do here, you can use a blender. Just make sure you don't fill it any more than halfway, because as things are hot, they tend to splash a little bit, or you can use a smaller immersion blender and be good to go.